If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Lyft account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll through the settings options until you find Privacy or Security. Look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication or similar. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Once you are in the two-factor authentication settings, you will see an option to disable it. Toggle the switch or select the option to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm your choice. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your Lyft account. Remember that disabling this feature may reduce your account security, so consider the implications before making this change.